What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to another video. As you guys know, your boy has a 2018 BMW 440i. So every single time, guys, that I drive this beautiful BMW that you guys see right behind me, I love this thing, by the way. I keep learning new things. I want to share them with you guys. So if you guys find this video helpful in any way, shape, or form, if I'm moving a lot, guys, it's because it is cold, but I'm out here all the way on top of the roof. The couple features that I do have for you guys are in the vehicle. So let's go ahead and jump in the vehicle so I can show you guys. All right, you guys, so now that we're in the car, you guys see this little button right here, which is obviously for the speaking command thing the BMW comes with. If you press it once, you will see that just the regular BMW command is gonna come up. If you have Apple CarPlay, you probably didn't know that if you press and hold this button, you will see that Siri comes up. That is actually a really cool feature that I found out recently. I didn't even know about that, but the fact that you have Siri as well as the voice command that BMW, provides, that is pretty sick. All right, you guys, this next feature that I got for you guys have to do with your wiper blades. You probably didn't know that you have winter mode, and the way you achieve that is you turn off the vehicle, right, completely. So once you have the vehicle turned off, you press and hold your wiper button thing. Just press and hold it, and you will notice that it will start going. But if you keep holding onto it, you will notice that it will just stay up. If you guys ever want to change these, you never want to just lift it and turn it to try to take it off. This is perfect for, like, if you live in the winter and it snows a lot and stuff like this, you probably want to put it like this. That way they don't get messed up. If you ever want to change it, this is very simple to change, by the way. If you guys want a video on that, let me know. I'll make a video on that. But this is very easy when you have it in this formation, I guess you could call it. Very simple to take off. So that's the second feature that I got for you guys. All right, you guys, this next feature has to do when you come to a complete stop. For example, if you come to a red light and you want to stop the car from turning on and off, all you got to do is, you see this little button right here, right on top of your start and stop button. All you gotta do is press this button, and that pretty much will stop the car from turning on and off. I don't know if you guys, hate it or like it. I personally don't like it because sometimes I just want to go and drive and stuff like that, and just having that feature just kind of slows you down a little bit. I'm sure BMW has it there for a reason. I just don't like it. If you guys like it, then obviously you can keep it. Me, I like turning it off because I sometimes just want to go, and having this thing, turning on and off on me when I'm at a red light or anything like that, it's kind of annoying, especially if you live somewhere where there's tons of traffic. Just the car turning on and off just is not cool for me, so I just turn it off completely. If you guys were wondering what that does, that's what it did, okay? All right, you guys, the next feature that I got for you guys has to do with how to properly launch control your vehicle. So right now I have it in Comfort Sport. So what you want to do is you want to press your traction button one time. You don't have to hold it, just traction button, and you will see that the little traction information is gonna come up, and obviously you will see this light too. Don't worry about my engine light, bro. Stop asking about this engine light, because this engine light just is part of this vehicle at this point. But pretty much what you guys do is press and hold your brake all the way down. I don't even know if I have the space to do it here. I'm gonna try it a little bit. Okay, so you press and hold your brake button, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna press your acceleration button all the way down, and you should get a message here saying launch ready or something like that. So we're gonna go ahead and try it. I don't know, honestly, I never even pay attention to that. I just kind of do it myself, but let's actually see if we get the little message. Oh boy, I was starting to spin, guys, a little bit. This thing threw me crazy, and it was burbling. Why was throwing pops in Comfort Sport? I didn't even know it did that. Honestly, guys, that kind of shook me a little bit. I didn't even see the little message come up because the car just shot me crazy. The floor is wet, so maybe today is not probably the best day to be launching the car, because I was, my car started to spin a little bit, and it burbled too, somehow, some way. That's pretty much how you do it though. For some cars, I guess you get like the little flag, but I didn't really see it in my car, so I don't know if just this car doesn't have it. Maybe like the newer cars have it, but this car definitely doesn't have it. But that's pretty much how you launch. Why do I got burbles? I don't even have it. Oh, I think I just found something new. How I have burbles when I'm in Comfort? I don't even know, but that's weird, because usually, is this my parking? That's so weird how I have it. So let's see, if I turn off my traction, do I still have burbles? Oh, I just found something out. Okay, hold on. Let me put my seatbelt on, because this thing is not gonna shut up if I don't. Wow, I just found something out as I was doing this video. I personally thought that the only way that I would have my burbles was if I was in sport, right? Which pretty much changes your display. But I guess when you have it in comfort, which is this one, Comfort Sport, with the traction off, this is pretty much sport. I did not know this. Whoa, we all learn something new every day. So now if I go, you will hear the burbles. What? I did not know that. This last feature I'm gonna do after the gym because it does involve me driving the car. So I'm gonna go to the gym. I'll just see you guys in a few. So far, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Subscribe if you guys, you know, think it's all right. I guess, I don't know. I don't even know if my videos are ever good, but I hope you guys enjoy them. All right, you guys, so we're back from the gym. We're pretty much on the way home. Like I was telling you guys, this next one has to do with you while driving. I've never actually done this one before, so we're about to put it to the test together. So apparently, if you hold your downshift, let me go manual first. Let me go fifth, okay. So apparently, if you hold your downshift, your RPMs should shoot up. So like if you want to pass somebody or something like that quickly, you just hold down your downshift, press and hold, and your RPMs should shoot up. So right now I'm in my car, as you guys can see. I'm gonna put it to the test to see if this is true. I've never tried it myself, so I don't know, to be honest, but we are about to find out together. So I'm about to let me see if I find a street where it's empty, and I'm gonna press and hold it. Hopefully this does not break my car, so I'm putting things to the test for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on a straightaway, and then that way we can see whether or not this is true or not. So let me see, hold on. The street is pretty bad right now, but we should be going to a straightaway here pretty soon. Oh, look at that car is out. He out right now. All right, hold on. Let me get on this left. Okay, here we go. All right, guys, let's put it to the test. And 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna hold it down now. Okay. Oh, it does work. All right. Damn, I need to upshift though. Shoot, hold on. This is hard doing it with one hand, guys. I'm gonna try one more time though. So we are in fifth, as you guys can see. I am going to press and hold my downshift to see what happens. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm pressing holding. Okay, so it does work. So pretty much, guys, what it does, now that I put it to the test for the first time, what it does pretty much, it just downshift for you. But instead of you clicking the downshift like twice to go down to third, for example, if you're on fifth gear, you pretty much press and hold it, and it'll go down by itself. So I guess, I kind of like doing it myself, like just the clicking, but I guess you can just hold it if you don't want to just keep clicking it. So I guess it does work. All right, cool. With that being said, guys, those are the 5 features that I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to see more videos like that or other cool things, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.